Welcome to WordBinary. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to create your account and access our powerful tools, including plagiarism check, AI detection, and grammar check. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit our official website at wordbinary.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see options to explore tools, pricing, and account access. Next, click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the account creation page where you can begin the registration process. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your details are correct, as this email will be used for verification and future access. Once done, click on Create Account. After creating your account, you will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from WordBinary. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once you click the link, you will be redirected to the Verification Complete page. After that, you will be automatically redirected to the Login page. Now enter your registered email and password to log into your account. Once logged in, you will gain access to your dashboard. This is your WordBinary dashboard. From here, you can upload documents, view reports, and access all tools in one place. You can run plagiarism checks, AI detection, and grammar analysis seamlessly. Congratulations, your sign-up process is now complete. You now have access to 3 powerful tools: plagiarism check, AI check, and grammar check. You can start uploading your documents and improving your content immediately. If you have any questions, visit our support page and contact us. You can also watch our related videos to learn more about how our platform works and how to get the best results. Thank you for choosing WordBinary.